Hi, let us show you the dramatic advantages of using AI for construction. Remember how before CAD and other types of digital drawings, people said hand drawings were the only way? How stupid do they sound now? AI is the same, only its changes will be far more dramatic, way more valuable, and ignoring it will eventually doom your business. Mark my words. First, in the design process, the cost reductions in this area are around 30% of the complete design project, with far higher quality and control of accuracy. Architects and engineers spend many hours working on design variations and checking the architectural statics and parametrics like compliance and building regulations and functional specs and all that goes on. With AI, generative design allows architects and engineers to input design goals, spatial requirements, performance, materials, cost constraints, and many more into the generative design software, which then checks designs against requirements and norms and improves the process and finds mistakes. Delays in construction projects often come from the planning stage. One reason is clashes with utilities, and teams of engineers used to compare planning documents with utilities around the construction site for weeks, costing a lot of time and money. AI construction technology detects clashes in a day and changes the plans accordingly. Now let me show you the advantages in the building side. Studies show a 30 to 40% savings for construction operations once full AI implementation has taken place. That is 30% of the complete project costs. Now I think you're paying attention. 90% of mega projects are significantly delayed over budgeting for poor planning. All are unnecessary costs for companies. ClearImage AI solutions improve construction execution planning. Systems detects clashes, delays, and changes within the construction process. Our Iris device technology for frequent image recording allows for AI to track the progress of the physical building against the plans, enabling automatic identification of errors and deviations from the original building plan during construction. That means reacting immediately, saving costly corrections later. Delays and changes trigger the AI to perform an automatic change in the construction schedule and informs all team members in distribution and manufacturing automatically, so construction site logistics are optimized as subcontractors and suppliers adjust their planning to the updated timelines. One major reason for construction delays and cost overruns are accidents. In Germany, there are over 6,000 accidents per year on construction sites, with 300 deaths and 15,000 injuries. The importance of increased safety at construction sites is apparent. ClearImage AI cameras at the construction site mitigate risks and reduce the number of accidents greatly. Tools and materials are located faster. The AI can immediately inform a worker through his phone where materials and tools are. With ClearImage AI Iris cameras, every object and material can easily be found, and statistics show that for a 40% increase in labor productivity combined with a project completion at more than 10% below budget. The AI also detects safety hazards before there's an accident. A tool is not stored correctly or workers are not wearing safety gear. ClearImage AI also helps operators of heavy and mobile machinery who usually perform several tasks simultaneously while working a machine. This leads to a high error rate and efficiency losses. The AI learns and adapts to these tasks easily, so the operator can focus on more complicated and valuable projects. The use of AI also increases safety in operating construction machinery. Cameras continuously observe the environment and check for potential collisions with people or objects and can warn operators before accidents happen. So the AI enables operators to work faster and more precisely for longer periods. Studies show productivity of mobile machinery increasing by up to 60% using AI. For construction companies with larger operations, ClearImage AI technology can help companies forecast prices for raw materials, sand, gravel, iron, etc., and other input factors. AI can identify the need for a product and then order it. AI can help further optimize logistics. Artificial intelligence identifies the best means of transport and also the best routes based on information on times, dates, addresses, traffic, cost, speed, etc. In addition, it improves its recommendations with each delivery. In the future, these routes will be used by autonomous transportation modes like cars, trucks, ships, and planes. Okay, now I think you get it. So here's some steps to take to start implementing AI and getting all those advantages and cost savings. I really don't think people realize the drastic difference it will make in your construction business. First, accept that change is needed. Many people see AI more as a threat than as an opportunity. They're afraid that they will be replaced by AI and lose their jobs. You have to outline the advantages of AI to every single employee. After creating an atmosphere of change, identify use cases for AI within your company. Rank them according to the main criteria: core versus non-core business, ease of implementation. You define the guiding principles for the subsequent implementation of AI into your company. So it's very important that all the defined strategies are identified. Use cases are perfectly aligned so that all departments share the same objectives. Implement small AI projects first that fit into your overall AI strategy. By initiating projects that can be expected to bring quick gains, you will illustrate the advantages of AI to everyone within the company and therefore create positive momentum. Next, ambitious applications and a holistic, people-centered approach to give yourself genuine competitive edge over your competitors. And finally, expand your AI activities across your entire company in every new area where you want to implement AI. Start small, then scale up. Be ready to transfer more and more control of operations to AI as it develops its full potential. So I hope this video has been eye-opening to the possibilities. Let us know if we can discuss how we can help your company, and visit our website, clearimageai.com.